Hello everyone, this is Alexander, and today I'll tell you how the construction of the second phase of Land Green Park is progressing. Regarding the general work on the project, we're continuing to build a retaining wall and, at the same time, drilling a well to ensure a stable water supply for the complex. In Building K, the installation of interior partitions on the 7th floor has been completed, and we've started work on the 6th floor. Work is also ongoing to install new protective coverings to reduce dust levels. The hot and cold water supply systems are 36% complete. Work on the air conditioning and ventilation systems is 19% complete, while the installation of cable trays and channels for low voltage systems, such as communications, internet, and video surveillance, is at 12%. In Building L, pile and foundation work for the first underground floor is ongoing, as well as concreting of the second underground floor. Excavation of the rocky soil has been fully completed. In Building H, the interior plastering work is already in its final stage. Preparations for glazing are also underway, and exterior plastering work continues. The hot and cold water supply systems are 47.5% complete, and the installation of cable trays and channels for low voltage systems is at 30%. Building G. Here, the interior plastering work has been completed, and we have started the final finishing inside the apartments. Preparations for glazing are also underway, and exterior plastering work is in progress. The hot and cold water supply systems are 50.5% complete, and the installation of cable channels and trays for low voltage systems is 54% complete. In Building F, pile driving and foundation work for the building's entrance group are ongoing. Thank you for watching the update, and if you want to be the first to know about the construction progress, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell. See you in the next report.